Namaste students, myself JVN Vijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA JDBC 5th semester botany paper. Topic is economic botany, and in economic botany we have seen some of the important plants of beverages, cereals, pulses. Today's turn is timber yielding plants. Okay, so today we will study some of the economically important timber yielding plants, their botanical name, family, along with their usage. So let's start. In your syllabus many more are there, but I have brought here only 3: Dalbergia Ciso, Arjun, Mangifera indica. So first, Dalbergia Ciso, classification: Kingdom Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, order Fabaceae, family Fabaceae, genus Dalbergia, and species is Ciso. This plant you might have seen in your locality. Scientific name Dalbergia Ciso roxburghi. Local name is Cisum ciso. Useful organ of this plant is wood. Family is Fabaceae. Now this is the some of the images of wood of Cisum which are in TS form. Okay, you might have seen. Those students who are staying in village, they have seen, I am sure. Now usage of this wood is: Ciso is a high class furniture and cabinet wood widely used throughout North India. All those furnitures and cabinets are made up of this wood. On account of its great strength, elasticity and durability, it is highly valued as constructional and general utility timber, and is used for all the purposes for which Indian rosewood is employed in the south. So students, due to its great strength, elasticity, durability, it has great importance in the construction of offices, doors, cabins, furnitures. All those items are made up of this wood. Carefully selected and manufactured plywood logs satisfy the specification prescribed for aircraft, and for this purpose the wood form tree growing on canal banks and in plantation is considered to be the best. Government has employed a scheme to plant such type of plants along the canal banks or pond banks, even on highways. Okay, because this wood is in demand. Ciso wood is suitable for making laminated skit. Some of the skits are prepared by this wood. It can be worked into decorative ornamental carvings. So many ornamental or design have been printed or made on this wood because of its elasticity, nature and durability, which will be found in many homewares. Now Arjun Sadar. Classification plant tea. This also belongs to same division of Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida. Order is different, that is Myrtles. Family is Cambertaceae. Genus Terminalia. Species is Arjuna. Scientific name Terminalia arjuna. Local name Arjun tree. Useful organ, that is wood. Family Cambertaceae. Students, this plant is very similar to eucalyptus, which is belonging to same order Myrtles. You might have seen the plant of the tree of eucalyptus, which stem, that is trunk, is white in nature, and that is very smooth, that is not rough like sesame, mango, other trees. Its tree trunk is very smooth. Along with that, another guava is there, which stem is smooth. Okay, so this is the characteristic feature by which you can identify this plant in the field. Now this is the some images of Arjun tree in TS structure and morphology. Now usage of Arjun tree. Arjuna has an astringent effect which acts to detoxify the blood. It has great importance in purification of blood. Okay, that is astringent effect. Its homeostatic properties help to relieve bleeding condition and control aggravated pit sets. Means this can improve the clotting of bleeding so that there is no more bleeding. Stop bleeding. Okay, this is the medicinal use of this plant. The general cleaning effect of this herb helps to clean urinary infection like UTI. In females, it can be used to support the uterus and regulate the hormonal cycle. It is given in all kinds of hormonal imbalance, fibroids, cysts, endometriosis. It can help relieve excess bleeding in menorrhea. Okay, so these are the medicinal use of this plant. But apart from this medicinal property, this plant wood has great importance in manufacturing of furnitures, cabins, cabinets, and wood items. Okay, so it is also important. Next is Mangifera indica. This is well known plant. I think everybody knows about that. That is mango. Classification kingdom Plantae, order Sapindales, family Anacardiaceae. Scientific name Mangifera indica. Local name mango. Useful organ wood. Family Anacardiaceae. Students, this plant has also great importance apart from its fruit. Wood is also used in making of many furnitures, door items. Okay, this is the image of wood of mango. Now uses, it can be used to advantage for rotatory veneer work and plywood making, and is one of the woods being used for this purpose all over the India. Its chief uses are cheap furniture, planking, floors, ceiling boards, the chest and other box and create works, board building, agricultural implements, part of carts and for plywood manufacturing. It is a good wood for dry carpet and shoe heels. Okay, so students, there are many more plants which are used as a timber, but for you people, at least 5 plants name along with their families and botanical name you must remember. Okay, because I may ask in your midterm test or semester examination, so you prepare them, don't ignore. Okay, thank you very much.